Good evening, everyone. A quick market wrap. The Indian indices ended flat amid high volatility in today's session. Nifty 50 ended the session at 14,677, down by 18 points, while Sensex ended the session at 48,732, up by 41 points. Among the sectoral indices, except for Nifty FMCG, all sectoral indices ended in red, with major laggards being Nifty Metal, followed by Nifty Realty and Nifty PSU Bank. The overall market breadth was quite weak, with major laggards being Coal India, Tata Motors, Hindalco Industries, and Tata Steel, while among the gainers were Asian Paints, UPL, ITC, Nestle India, and Larsen & Toubro. Other highlights of the day was Dr. Reddy's laboratory announced the launch of the Sputnik V vaccine in the Indian market. Blue Dart forms Blue Dart Med Express Consortium to operate experimental unmanned aircraft system for delivery of vaccines and emergency medical supplies. In escorts, Mr. Dipankar Ghosh has tendered his resignation from the post of CEO, Railway Equipment Division, citing personal reasons. In the upcoming session, Nifty 50 is likely to see resistance at 14,702 followed by 14,788, while the support levels are at 14,640 followed by 14,589. For Bank Nifty, the resistance levels are likely to be at 32,316 followed by 32,900, while the support levels are at 32,005 followed by 31,800. Thank you.